Hi, I'm Megan Jarvis, and welcome to Wild Sacred Valley, the first of its kind in Australia, where you don't need to fly overseas to get a private, unique, personalized experience for your medical and wellness needs. Here on site, we deliver every kind of modality, from IVs to massage to chiros, sound healing to breath work, to even the best fighters in the world with ice baths and infrared saunas. We know that we can take care of you and you will leave here a different person. Hold on tight, because I know that I've been waiting my whole life for this experience to take birth, and we've done it now. With the best team in the world, get ready. We're ready to welcome you to Wild Sacred Valley. See you soon.